Ladies and gentlemen, at this point, I have my own show as well this evening, but I felt it was honorable to support my brother like I do all the time. I'm running late for my own show, but then a promise is a debt. I had told him I was going to be here, and I'm here. It gives me great honor to introduce this young man, but I'll tell you this for a fact. He reached out to me a few days ago, said, Egbon, this has been tough on me. How do you do it? I see you do your comedy, you do your movies, you do your music, you do your shows, you do all of this without sponsorship. By the way, I'm the only entertainer that has an award in every category of entertainment. I have 20 movies without sponsorship by my own self. I have done several shows. I have 28 music albums without borrowing a dime from anybody. So he asked me, how do you do this? I just smiled. I said, it's the same guy up there. It's the same guy. So just look up to him. So he was pressured to do this show. But then he looked up to God, and God said, I will surprise you. Look at it. Look at you people. You are here. It was just this morning he was able to secure some of the things that he's going to entertain you with. So I beg of you, when you finish this today, let the message go out there that God is doing something great in his life. He has been doing this for years. This is edition 6. Despite the tough times, he's able to do this. People don't do things like this anymore. People have given up. But he's not giving up because God is always there and because God is using you people. Let him continue to use you people for him. Ladies and gentlemen, please, with a standing ovation, I want everyone in this room to please welcome the Son of the Most High. Because God is Oba Ayiki, but this is his Son, in whom he is well pleased. Please put your hands together for Oba Ayiki, God's Son. Sherry, nibiti Oba Ishe, let me say it in Yoruba. He cannot suffer anymore because with his drum, he has been able to translate the word hallelujah. Hallelujah is a shout of praise. But for him, otiluya. Oni gbogbo hallelujah kúrò nínú ayé wa. Today, o ma hallelujah kúrò nínú ayé wa. Ladies and gentlemen, Oba Ayiki.
I